Well, here we are on a manic Monday. I got a mixed freight just starting to pull. The really longs have been stopped at this crossing on the main, east end of Glendive, so we'll be pulling uphill. See how this goes. Got some background noise. That engine is pretty smoky. Back up to a steady position. There we go. Really smoking it up. 4649 is the lead unit. .9604 is back, trailing and I'm dead, but who knows why. Pulling out of one track in the yard, not the main line. Sorry about that. Here is a bunch of guys on the other side resurfacing the main Merrill, the main street parallel to the railroad. I'll go back where I can stand still and sit against the truck. We'll watch them go. neon green. The different grain hoppers, an air slide and a 4750. Not too much vandalism on them either. Bit of trivia, the B and the N are supposed to represent a couple of wrenches. A little Cargill. It was bright yellow once upon a time. Boy, that's a nice 5-mile-an-hour crawl. Maybe 10. I doubt it. Does give a guy time to look at the details. That's how the straps are strapped on there. There you go, something new to look at. Side note, today they are doing some demolition work over on the service track area by my house. If I get this work done, I gotta go do some on the way to do. I'll get over there and make a couple of videos of either them working or the aftermath, one of the two. Sad to see. It ain't that long a train. We got about 10 cars to go. Bad. Oh, and here's a happy surprise at the end of the line. Sorry about that. It's the line. Not even in bad shape. Really. And some more of those ubiquitous CNWs everywhere. Well, there you have it. One more to go. There goes Fred. Enjoy your more trains today.